Let's play GAVOTTE from Suzuki Book 3. This is the short, short, long piece. Start with the bow on the string and let the bow explode and relax at the same time. Then long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, long, long, short, short, long, short, short, long. Don't rush. Short, short, long, short, short. Short, short, long. Short, 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 short. Long. Short, short, long. Short, short, long. Short, short, long. Short, short. A little retard at the end. Okay, so let's talk about it a little bit. This short bow, put the pressure on the strings short, and that's the strategy behind it. You add weight to the arm and take the weight away as soon as the bow starts moving. Two up bows has the torque, a little bit of tension, gravity towards the string, and as soon as the bow moves, the gravity and the weight is gone. And it's a short note. Keep the bow on the string. Not the best way to do it. Keep the bow on the string. Let the horsehair actually stop the string from ringing. So I'm dampening the string by keeping that horsehair on the string. Short, short, up. Okay? The next thing to talk about, I think, is this little guy with these 16 notes that are fast. Measure 10. Sorry. And even here. Those kind of explode out like that. Okay, and then of course we have this trill at measure 20. And the most safe way to do this, and I don't want you to put too much space in it, but let's add a little space before the last note of measure 20. Bum, bum, bum. So that goes like 1, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, off. And that would be a nice articulation for it. 1, 2, 3, stop. This whole section typically just rushes, so be very careful that you're locked to a tempo. Now on a shift, if you're aiming for this with a finger, that's bad technique. The way to get from this position to this position is flopping or falling, or this is the verb I like to use when we talk about shifting. I'm moving the whole arm up and I'm letting gravity help me get there. I'm letting this arm fall along the string. To practice it, you might want to put this in a loop and play this D with a fourth finger a few times. the first finger. So you're... And it sounds the same each time. Now when you're up here in third position, it's no different than first position, albeit a little bit smaller. That's kind of a challenge, but it teaches you that extensions are between first finger and second finger. The first finger reaches back. Third finger, look at my first finger. It's ready to be back here on a B flat. The bigger you make that, the better this is going to sound. Okay, and that's about it. Oh, measure 30 to 40, or 30 to 31. You just play that A, remember it in your ear. That was horrible. A. Don't go on, just like I just didn't go on because I missed it. Arm goes up, whole hand comes back in position. And I hope if you don't need this tutorial, you just play to the end with me and back up and do it again from the beginning. Okay, I hope you have a good time practicing.